In our daily lives, we use a variety of products. To produce them, we need machines that must cover a wide range of functions. One of the industries we are most dependent on is the manufacturing industry. As an important driving force for the development of human society, it remains central to our abilities and development. However, the reality is that current production relies on machines that are often decades old. In many cases, replacing such machines with new models is too expensive and would also be harmful to the environment. A new digital platform is being designed to monitor the performance of old machines and help factories identify problems at an early stage. This enables timely retrofitting measures that extend the life of the machines. The platform uses sensors that are applied to the old machines. These sensors permanently record data to evaluate the performance of the machine over its entire life cycle. The data and diagnoses are stored and analyzed in a digital twin of the machine. Here, the machine's level of use and remaining useful life is calculated. The digital platform also offers a system simulation to provide recommendations for process optimization. The sensors detect when a replacement is normally required. For example, when a machine part is damaged or the performance needs to be improved. If a malfunction is detected, appropriate measures are displayed. These measures range from on-site repair, refurbishment, remanufacturing or upgrading. The European project Level Up is behind this idea. The team is testing the new platform at 7 different pilot sites and in 6 industrial sectors in the fields of metalworking, automotive, woodworking, caravanning, railways and aerospace.